ordered some sundaes. Here you go, and here you go, Thomas. Thanks.
Thank you.
Looks delicious.
Yeah, very tasty.
While we eat this, could you tell me a story?
Okay, how about the story of how I got my Hot Wheels car? I pull Annie and Clara about almost every day. But one day...
Oh, Thomas, please stop.
Hi, Professor.
Bertie should have picked me up, but he's nowhere to be seen.
I'm here. Sorry I'm late. You're too late, Bertie. I have your passenger now. But I should take him. Buses are faster than trains. No, they are not. Oh yeah? Why don't we have a race then?
Oh no, not another one of your races.
Okay, first one to Professor Funning's treehouse wins. 3, 2, 1... Hey! You went on 2! I'm gonna win! Oh no, you're not! Haha! Oh! Haha! I win! Only because you went on 2.
Ooh. Why did you go so fast, Thomas?
They had one of their silly little races.
But we need to have a re-race. Bertie cheated. No, I didn't.
Well, to make it fair, you should both race on the track, and I have something that might help. Ta-da! This used to be my truck driver, but I'm sure it'll work with buses too.
Ooh, that looks like fun. So Bertie hopped onto the track.
Okay, Bertie, do a little lap of the area to try it out.
Okay, Professor. Well, hey, it's working. I'm driving on the track. I could beat Thomas on the road and the track.
Oh, don't forget to take this turning, Bertie.
I won't. Uh-oh.
Oh no, he's driven straight over the turning.
Professor, how do I stop? Professor?
Oh dear. Oh no, are you okay, Bertie?
Yeah, I'm fine.
What are you doing driving on the track?
We were about to have a race.
You can't have a race on the track. That's not fair. Thomas is used to the track, and you're not. Well then, where should they race? Well, around here, when people want to have a race, they go to Radiator Springs and have a race on a Hot Wheels track.
Oh yes, that sounds like fun. But surely I won't fit on a Hot Wheels track.
Oh, I may have a potion which could help. Ta-da! This'll help. Here you go.
What is this, Professor?
It should turn you into a Hot Wheels car.
Oh, awesome! Wow!
Amazing! Now you two can have a proper race.
Yes, we can! So, we went to Radiator Springs.
Okay, you two, this is your racetrack. The rules are simple. You'll both start up there, then these launchers will blast you along the track, and whoever crosses the finish line first wins.
Okay, we're ready.
Are you in position?
Yes!
Yep! Ready, go!
So Thomas is the winner!
Oh, well done. I guess you win this race. Thanks, Bertie. That was really fun.
You were very good, Thomas. Yeah, you should race in the funding competitions.
Yes, I think I will. Ooh, I can't wait to show everyone my car. And that's how I got my Hot Wheels car.
Wow! So, do you and Bertie still race each other?
Oh yes, all the time. Hey Thomas, fancy a race? Of course! First one to Chef Funding's tea room wins. 3, 2, hey, you went on 2!